contributors, all the people, those who have delivered lectures during this FDP program. And I want to thank you, all the participants who have participated. And I'm very sure that they have learned some skills which they will be applying in their day-to-day teaching schedules to their students. And they all will be enriched with the new skills added to your CVs and your skill set. So in the end, I want to congratulate Computer Science Department for conducting this FDP programs. I'm aware that all the faculty members of Computer Science Department have been working so hard on this event for the past 2-3 months, and they have been interacting with me for organizing this activity. So want to congratulate them that they have successfully conducted it. And people, right now I can see that there are 180 people, those who have joined. And this has been a very successful event from their end. So thank you very much for conducting such a nice event. And I am hopeful that everyone has learned it, whether it is on the part of organizer or on the part of, joinees. So thank you very much, all of you, for doing this and great work. Congratulations and keep it up in future. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and guidance. Thanks a lot. Now, I would like to invite our respected HOD, ma'am, Dr. Deepika Kumar, to share valuable insights and reflections. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rakhi ma'am. Thank you so much, Principal Sir, for joining. Good afternoon, respected Principal Sir, esteemed faculty members, and my dear participants. And it's both an honor and privilege, obviously, to stand before you today as we mark the culmination of this faculty development program that is sponsored by ATAL on cross-modality innovation, generative AI in language, image intelligence, and medical advancements. That is organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi, and is scheduled from 9 to 14 December. And over the past 6 days, I would say it was a remarkable journey where we have seen the growth and the professional development in the area of generative AI. And as we draw the curtains today, so in this program, take this opportunity to reflect on the invaluable experiences that we have learned throughout this week. So firstly, let me express my sincere gratitude, first of all, to AICTE, ATAL Academy, for sponsoring this FDP program, and all the resource persons or the keynote speakers, those who have joined us and those who have shared their knowledge and expertise with us. And their sessions were not only informative, but also they were the thought-provoking also. To the participants, that we have approximately got 240 registrations, and more than 200 participants were actively joined this FDP throughout this 6 days, and your active engagements. So thank you so much, all participants. Your active engagements and insightful discussions were wonderful. And at the end, I just would like to say thank Principal Sir for always guiding and for always supporting from the since very first day until the last execution, and still for the next 1 week when we are obviously completing the basic documentation of this ATAL FTP. And then the organizing team from the starting to the ending to the execution of this program, co-conveners, Dr. Jolly, Dr. Gargi, Dr. Raki, and Ms. Nupur, all the computer science and engineering faculty members, each and every one. We have faced, because it's very tough to handling the attendance. We are managing all the faculty members of CSE have supported us in every aspect. Staff members supported when we have organized this hybrid inauguration, and participants, HODs, management, everyone. So thank you so much for supporting it each and every moment, for organizing this wonderful FTP. And finally, in conclusion, I just want to thank each and every one of you, my HODs, my deans, admin staff, BVCOE management, all staff members for your support and participation. And at the end, I just want to say, when we return to our respective departments and the classroom, I urge you to carry forward the spirit of continuous learning and the professional growth. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words. Truly inspiring. And let's carry forward the insights. Now we have the feedback form from the audience side. If any audience want to share any feedback regarding the FDP they have joined throughout these 6 days, please raise your hands. We will unmute you. And Ruchi ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ruchi ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are properly audible. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, very good afternoon to all.
Good
I am very
afternoon, ma'am.
thankful to Bharati Vidyapeeth College for organizing this wonderful FDP on cross-modality. These sessions were very insightful, ma'am, and the speakers shared valuable knowledge. Means how AI is transforming image processing, enabling means machines to interpret, how it can be enhanced and analyze visual data across various modalities. It was a wonderful session. Every session was inspiring and gives us a idea to think about how we can apply AI in different fields also. A very big thanks to the organizer for their hard work. It was a wonderful event that it was very wonderfully organized, and your efforts are truly appreciated. So basically, ma'am, this program will give a great learning experience, and we are excited that we will apply it in and explore more areas in this fascinating area. So I am very thankful to all of you for making this FDP memorable and meaningful. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words. We are
Thank
truly
you.
Thank you,
grateful
ma'am.
to
Thank you
you.
so
Thank
much.
you. Now we can have Dr. Ashish Kumar. Uh, sir, you can unmute yourself.
Thank you so much. Myself, Dr. Ashish Kumar, and I would like, first of all, I would like to thank the complete team for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Deepika ma'am, Gargi ma'am, Jolly ma'am, and not other than Rakhi ma'am, you are the face of the FDP where you keep facilitating
Thank you
and
so much.
about all the insights about all the speakers and everyone. And all these speakers and the complete FDP is full of knowledge and expertise area. The presentations were very much clear and the deliverables are very much clear to us so that we can apply that in real time and use the knowledge by sharing with our students and take these insights inside our classrooms so that we can entertain the queries of the student with the latest knowledge. And personally, I feel that the session delivered by this Dr. Swati Agrawal from the University of Meledo was the best one because the way she actually enlightened us about the generative AI application in the healthcare, and she has opened a new domain for us where we can share and apply the knowledge and look for the further insights. Thank you once again, Deepika ma'am, Jolly ma'am, and uh, Gargi ma'am for allowing us and organizing such a wonderful session for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
inspiring words.
Thank you, Ashish sir.
Now we have Dr. Megha Agarwal. Ma'am, please, over to you. We have more hands raised. Dr. Megha Agarwal, ma'am, you can unmute yourself and you can. Uh, I think she has raised the hand.
Now it is unmuting.
Okay, fine, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you for organizing such the wonderful FTP. This program was highly insightful and well organized, ma'am. So it has
Thank
provided valuable knowledge and the practical application in the field of artificial intelligence. All the sessions were very engaging and with the excellent resource persons. It has provided comprehensive contents, and overall it was a significant great learning experience. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next,
Thank
we
you so
have
much.
Dr. Shankar Shambhu. Sir, you can unmute yourself. Dr. Shankar Shambhu.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Thank you, sir.
Yes. First of all, I just want to say thank you to organization team and the organization ATAL also. Really, this workshop was very excellent. I attended this workshop from the day one. I did not miss any. And the last session was the really last session which I today attended. It was a totally practical session. Really, it was very awesome, and it is very good session for researchers and the new scholars also. So I just want to say thank you and requested to the all keep please arrange these workshops regularly so that the research this because this type of workshops are very good for researchers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Next, we have Dr. Vanita Jain. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself. Dr. Vanita Jain, ma'am. Dr. Varun Shrivastava. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good
My
afternoon, sir.
Professor Saini, Dr. Deepika Kumar, entire FDP team, and AICTE for organizing this wonderful FDP on cross-modality innovation. The FDP was actually highly informative and gave an exposure to various state-of-the-art techniques related to different modalities and data sets like images, text, etc. Also, it gave an exposure to the related ML AI techniques. There were amazing sessions by various dignitaries like Dr. Anuradha Chugh, who in her extremely informative session talked about large language models, generative AI. Dr. Murala also talked about foundations of cross-modality. Professor Vishwakarma talked about foundations of image processing, and to which further explorations were done by Agarwal. And topics and
were discussed by Dr. Neeraj, Dr. Swati, Professor Archana. So it was a very insightful FDP. LLM discussed by Dr. Supriya. Even applications of AI in telemedicines were discussed by Mr. Yuvraj, and Dr. Anjali talked about the national education policy. So thank you all. Thank you so much for giving an exposure to all these different topics and highly informative sessions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful feedback. And thank you all for giving us such a wonderful feedback, such truly inspiring words. We will carry these words forward for next events also. Now, if any participant want to share anything regarding the FDP, please raise your hands. We will unmute you. You can share your thoughts regarding the FDP and what you have gained.
Raki ma'am, Vanita ma'am wants to say something.
Ma'am, Vanita ma'am,
Jain.
I have actually unmuted her also, but I think she is not in the meeting currently.
Okay.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Dear
ma'am.
principal sir, Dr.
कैमरा तो ऑन करिए मैम.
Sir, camera off.
Ma'am, I have just given the
Professor
permission.
Damain, Dr. Deepika, and all my fellow previous colleagues. I'm really very happy that it is such a good FDP which has been organized, and that too from a very prestigious tag it is having, that ATAL. And it's always a coming home feeling when I see anything which carries the name of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi. And regarding the FDP, it was it was an enriching experience. I'm really very thankful to Dr. Deepika for giving this opportunity to participate. And all the sessions were very well structured and they were insightful. And I think all the participants must have been benefited by the words and by the knowledge which we have gathered over the 5 days. And I particularly appreciated Dr. Swati's session, which was lots of hands-on experience, because it provided valuable perspectives and practical strategies. And I think every one of us will use this knowledge whatever we have gained during this FDP in our teaching also. And once again I thank uh, to Bharati Vidyapeeth College for giving us, all of us, the opportunity to attend and such a wonderful and very incredible experience we all, I think, we had. Thank you very much, sir, Principal sir, and Deepika ma'am, along with her whole team. Thank
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
and congratulations, sir.
Thank you,
It
ma'am.
was a
Thank you
wonderful,
so much,
it was
ma'am.
such a
Thank
real
you so much for
wonderful.
joining us, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Next, we have more hand raised. Dr. Chandresh.
I think,
Dr.
ma'am,
Chandresh, you can unmute yourself, ma'am. Can we take more feedback? I think one more is left. Dr. Chandresh
one more ले
Parekha.
लीजिए, then we will start our
Yes, ma'am.
conclusion. Right.
Yes.
May I speak now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I congratulate and I actually quote that the few lady faculty members very nicely organized. I think this
Thank you
is
so
my
much, sir.
first. This is my first FDB in which all respected lady faculty members have organized this very nicely, punctually in all sessions, and everything was fine. Myself, Dr. Chandresh Parekh, I am a senior assistant professor in Rashtriya Raksha University. This is our first institute of national importance under Ministry of Home Affairs. And many things I would say about this FDB, but due to time constraint, I wanted to put on the record that this is the best example of woman empowerment. Actually, you all respected lady faculty members have organized in a very disciplined manner. Thank you, and I will be happy to join again in such a FDP. Thank you, everyone. And speakers are very, very really not a theoretical. They have presented in a real sense the practical aspects of Gen AI. Thank you for considering my candidatures and providing me this opportunity for giving my feedback. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring words. Thank you so much. Now, we have very inspiring feedbacks from the audience side, and now the sessions are over, and here we are come to close this valedictory session also. And for the session